Is Microsoft practicing shady science again? A couple of weeks ago, Microsoft made headlines claiming they'd created the world's first topological qubit, citing their paper in Nature. But the Nature paper explicitly does not support Microsoft's claims. Here's what happened. They submitted a paper to Nature in March of 2024. That same paper was finally published in February of 2025, at which time Microsoft announced their new Majorana 1 chip while pointing to that same paper in Nature as proof. Yet that paper simply does not provide proof of what they have claimed. In fact, Nature's own editorial team added this disclaimer. The results in this manuscript do not represent evidence for the presence of Majorana zero modes in the reported devices. What the paper actually describes is a device architecture that might enable future experiments with Majorana particles, not proof that they've already created them. Now, perhaps this is all just a big misunderstanding, but recently, Microsoft has established a concerning pattern of behavior in this field. In 2018, Microsoft-affiliated researchers at TU Delft published evidence of Majorana particles in Nature. Yet, that same paper was later retracted in 2021 due to data inconsistencies. Then, in 2022, Microsoft announced they had created Majorana-based qubits, yet they did so without peer-reviewed evidence, which also begs the question that if they'd created them in 2022, why didn't they submit that proof in their 2024 paper to Nature that was just published in February? It appears likely that they are either lacking proof of an actual breakthrough and are simply attempting to appease shareholders, or understandably edgy after 17 years of research and development, or perhaps they're protecting trade secrets? I mean, if they've really done what they claim, then they're on a very exciting path to quantum dominance, even though they're currently far behind many other companies. In response to all this criticism from the scientific community, Microsoft recently explained that the breakthroughs they touted in their Majorana 1 chip announcement occurred between the time they submitted their paper to Nature and the time it was actually published. And they have promised to provide evidence of these recent breakthroughs later this month, albeit at yet another press conference and not in a peer-reviewed scientific paper. Personally, I'm rooting for science. I want breakthroughs and I want this topological superconductor to be real. Yet, science advances through careful, peer-reviewed evidence, not press releases. Until Microsoft's claims undergo proper scientific scrutiny, we should view their claims as aspirational marketing rather than established scientific fact.